Hi, my name is Catherine Bishop and I'm the Senior Lecturer and Course Leader on BA Hons Interior Design and Styling at Arts University, Plymouth. This is one of the few courses in the UK that focuses on interior design and styling, with an emphasis on colour, texture and materiality. From exploring the impact of colour and sustainable materials down to designing details like selecting door handles and light switches, you're developed into a well-rounded specialist. Our teaching is tailored to empower you with a deep understanding of interior design trends, as well as project management, design theory and working with clients. We have a huge focus on employability and getting your ideas out there. You'll emerge from this course as a design trendsetter equipped to shape the future. Unleash your creativity as you discover your interior design specialism, from hospitality design to editorial styling and even designing for yachts and airplanes. You'll get hands-on experience through real-world projects and collaborations. Our students have worked with exciting brands like Yes Colours, Vicepring Beds and Vitra. Students have had opportunities to visit and exhibit at London Design Fair, Tate Modern and Maison Objet. Our graduates have become interior designers, spatial designers, stylists, exhibition designers and much more, making their mark on prestigious brands and publications. Discover your future in interior design and styling at Arts University, Plymouth. You'll be taught by academics with industry experience and experts who have shaped impressive design choices worldwide. Our team has experience designing for renowned brands and they bring real-world expertise to our studios. We all still work in industry, we're well connected and we want to make sure you are too. Start your creative journey in our dedicated design studios equipped with cutting-edge technology. You can also explore the creative facilities across the university with workshops in digital prototyping, woodworking, metalworking and glassblowing, as well as digital print and CAD software resources. Plymouth is an artistically vibrant city. It's a haven for aspiring creatives. The city is a culturally rich community that nurtures personal and professional growth in a safe and affordable environment. It has a dynamic cultural scene, including museums, galleries, shopping and indie cafes, as well as stunning natural landscapes. Plymouth seamlessly combines urban living with outdoor adventure, from easy and fast connections to major cities such as Bristol and London to tranquil seaside scenery. It's all within walking distance of Arts University, Plymouth. Explore your creativity, shape spaces and make your mark on our changing world.